we are continuing with the similarity. So here the question is, in the adjoining figure, the medians BD and CE of triangle ABC meet at G. Alright, so this is the centroid. Centroid is the point where all the medians of the triangle meet. Right? You have to prove that triangle EGD is similar to triangle CGB. Okay. So before proving these triangles similar, it is given that BD is the median of AC. That means D is the midpoint of this side. Similarly, CE is the median of triangle, side AB. So this side is equal to this side. So does that mean ED is the line joining the midpoints, right? So we know that line joining the midpoints is parallel to the third side and is half of it by midpoint theorem, right? So we will first prove that ED is parallel to BC. Then we will take these two triangles and prove them similar, right? So how will we write this? We will write, since BD and CE are medians on the sides AC and AB respectively, on the sides BD is for AC and AB respectively. Therefore, E and D are the midpoints of, E is the midpoint of AB and AC respectively. Hence, you can say that ED is parallel to BC by midpoint theorem. We have done that in standard 9, right? Now we will take triangle. What are we going to prove? EGD and CGB. EGD and CGB. So you will write now, in triangles EGD and CGB, this angle is equal to this angle, vertically opposite angles. Angle EGD is equal to angle BGC, reason vertically opposite angles. Now, since you have proved that ED is parallel to BC, you can say this angle is equal to this angle, alternate angles, right? So, alternate angles are only equal when lines are parallel. And angle GED is equal to angle GCB, reason alternate angles. Therefore, you can say triangle EGD is similar to triangle CGB by AA axiom, right? So they are similar. First part you have answered. Now you have to answer second part. He is saying prove that BG is equal to 2GD. Now we know that BG is to GD is equal to 2:1. For this reason is that centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1. You can directly use that. So centroid, G is the centroid. Centroid divides, and BD is the median. The median in the ratio 2:1. So you got BG upon GD as 2:1. So if you cross multiply, you will get BG is equal to 2GD. That's what was your second part.